Okay, so I was watching the playblast back and I wasn't quite happy with the jump. I think it's moving a bit slow. It's a nice animation, but it doesn't have the impact that I wanted it to have. So what I'm going to do is I've come in here, I've selected the hip control and the 2 feet control, select them all in the graph editor, and I'm going to move them up just in the in the translate Y in the graph editor here for each of the controls, and I'm just going to move them up a bit. Then I'm going to select the center one, move it up a bit as well. Now the other thing I want to do is I think he drops too soon. He's up, and the second he hits his peak, he starts to come down. So I'm going to take this one here, and I'm going to select all of these keyframes, and I'm going to bump them up a bit as well, because I really want him to hover in the air for a little bit longer. I think this will give him a much better sense of weight. So I'm going to go to the shot cam. Now we may have to move the shot cam now, because I think, yeah, he'll be just out of frame there. So let's take our translate Y, let's unlock that. Let's see, let's try 200. Okay, good. Now let's watch it through. Okay, that looks like, to me that looks like it's done exactly what I wanted to. But let's do a play blast. There you go, guys, much better. You can see now it looks like he's got a lot more weight in that jump. Alright, let's move on.